Alright, so an update from the video earlier today. I spoke about how we have two counts, one in pink, one in purple. Pink being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this could be a correction downwards, and it could be a broad correction, but we're still going to have to wait to find out. Then the second being 1, 2, 3, then this is 4, and we should be expecting a move up. So we're also still waiting to try and find out. I also remember speaking on how this move up was very strong and we could have a diagonal, an ending diagonal for this wave 5, but we'll still have to wait to see how that plays out. So zooming in, I'll then go over my theory, which is that we have a 3-3-5 here, and then let me zoom that in. Alright, so we have a 3-3-5 here in a flat for a wave A or a wave W. Then we had a triangle here for the wave B or wave X, and then we are waiting to see a 5-3-5 move for the wave Y or wave C. So my initial thought was that we had a truncation here of the wave C, that we had this 5-wave move here, and then an A, B, C here, and then this was the last 5-wave move. So that would mean that wave 4 bottomed here in a truncation. But I also said this morning how it could also be that we came down here from wave B in a 5-wave move, and then would have a 3-wave move up, and then we'd have a 5-wave move down. Or if in fact we bottomed here, then we'd see a 5-wave move up and then we'd come down for a 3-wave move. So this is a bit of a decision moment right here, because we are now seeing that 3-wave correction. Let me bring this wave C down here. So we're now seeing that 3-wave correction, and we're also seeing that we could be starting a 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, and then a 5. So this is a bit of a neutral zone. Anything could happen at this point in time. But for anyone who is thinking of trading, I would say just be patient. If this is going to be a 3-wave correction, then we've had our 5-wave move down, we've had the 3-wave move up, and now we're in that final 5-wave move down. So I've been trying to count it, and I can see a 3 sets of 1-2s, so that's 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. So we should also have 3 sets of 3-4s before we have our final 5-wave move to mark the end of a potential correction, or the end of the potential motive wave for the 5-3-5 move. So that's the 5-wave move is probably going to end somewhere around here, or maybe here, who knows, or somewhere within this level. So the reaction from there is going to be what will determine your action, whether to buy, whether to sell, or whether to just wait. So we'll just have to see how we react from this region here, or maybe this entire region right here. If we have a miniature 5-wave move up and then a 3-wave move down and then a reaction, then you should know that you should be bullish. But if not, then you should know that you just have to wait for price to come down to the levels we spoke about, which I said will probably just take out this low here. And I'm sure there are a lot of people who have their buy trades situated around here, their stop losses for their buy trades situated around here. So it's probably going to be an issue of, that's if we break this low, it's probably going to be an issue of people talking about manipulation and whatnot. But the advantage of the Elliott wave theory is that it gives you this kind of insight that some other traders might not have. Maybe some other traders might not have it. But that's not me saying that it's guaranteed that we take out these lows. But it's just, at the moment, it's a possibility. We just have to wait and see what the market does, and that will determine what action we're going to take. So yeah, that's it for now. So I would say what would confirm the move up would be a break above this level. That's the That'll be what will confirm the 1, 2, 3 idea. So if we break above this level, if this is an A, a B, and a C, the moment we break above with B, then we know that we are in an impulse to the upside. So if that happens, I'll be looking for buy entries. But if that doesn't happen, I will take out this low as this line here, 3915.381. Then I'm going to be waiting for us to also break this level, and then I'll be waiting for the completion of the 5 wave move down, and then I'll look for a miniature 5 wave move up and a 3 wave move down. And once I see that, I'll probably enter a buy trade, and yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. So yeah, that's it for now.